Outstanding design defines the 2011 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.